Get ready for the tech revolution of 2025. With some of the biggest names in mobile innovation gearing up for their next big releases, here's a sneak peek into the phones we can expect to hit the market in January. From cutting-edge displays to powerful cameras and game-changing processors, 2025 is going to be a year of mobile excellence. First up, we have the OnePlus 13. With a massive 6.8, 2-inch 1440p display, this phone promises unmatched clarity and vibrant visuals. Its triple 50-megapixel cameras make sure you never miss a shot. And with Android 15 running the show, expect blazing fast performance powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. Not far behind is the OnePlus 13R. With a slightly smaller 6.8-inch display and a 50-megapixel plus 50-megapixel plus 8-megapixel camera setup, the 13R balances high-end specs with affordability. Running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it's perfect for those who want flagship performance without the flagship price tag. For those passionate about photography, the Realme 14 Pro is shaping up to be a winner. Its 50-megapixel AI camera and 32-megapixel front camera promise stunning selfies and portraits, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen processor ensures smooth performance. Next, we have the OPPO Reno 13, a slim, powerful device with a 50-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual camera setup and an impressive 50-megapixel front camera for those perfect selfies. Powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8350 chip, the Reno 13 is poised to blend style and performance seamlessly. Rounding off our list is the POCO X7 Pro, a 6.67-inch display, Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, and a triple camera setup featuring two 50-megapixel sensors make this an affordable powerhouse. Whether you're into gaming or photography, the X7 Pro is designed to deliver high-end performance at a budget-friendly price. With all these amazing phones lined up for release in January 2025, one thing is clear: the future of smartphones is looking brighter than ever. Whether you're after power, style, or photography excellence, there's something for everyone. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.